Hi everyone, I am Nirav Shah and I am currently working in ABN AMRO account as a MicroStrategy consultant. It has been 8 years since my journey in TCS and I must say I am emerging more and more stronger each day, be it a valued employee or be it a fitness. I am a marathon runner and I have completed multiple full marathon, and recently I also ran Tata Ultra Marathon 50 km, and my next event is planned to target a stadium run of 100 km. So when lockdown was announced in India on 25th March, going to gym, swimming and running on the roads for practicing 100 km run, everything had an impact, and I had to find out how can I still train myself in this crisis situation. So on the very first day of lockdown, I started running 5 km inside the house and successfully completed, which boosted my confidence and thought that roads are actually not required and nothing can stop you from accomplishing what is desired, took roots in my mind. So I immediately connected to 10 to 15 colleagues of ABN AMRO to join this 5 km challenge, and today we are into 56 day of consistent running, and we have together crossed a milestone of 4,000 km and we are moving to hit 5,000 km. How simple 5 km turns into 5,000 km magical number. Now coming to another story for which I won this lockdown contest. Doing only 5 km each day was not compensating for the workout which I used to do in regular day, like going to swimming, gym and so on. Hence I decided to start cycling at home. You can see behind me. So I started doing the cycling at home, and then I had a speedometer to calculate the speed and the distance covered. In 1 hour approximately I completed 21 km on the very first day of lockdown, and that gave me a lot of confidence and also kick to go 21 km each day for next 21 days during the lockdown phase 1. So ironically for me, it was when there is a will, to be very specific, cycle will, there is a way. So both these stories made me realize one thing: there is an always opportunity hidden in every situation, and we just need to grab it out to our best. I wish everyone to contribute whatever you can do from your home for your health and your family's health, and contribute more and more towards Fit for Life. Thank you Aftab and the entire HR team for coming up with this contest and giving me a chance and all of us chance to express our stories. So guys, stay fit, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.